Welcome back to GearUpWindows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to change wallpaper in Opera GX browser on Windows 11 or 10 PC. For this, first open Opera GX browser on your Windows PC, then click on this one menu icon in the top left corner and select Settings in the drop down menu. Under Opera GX Settings on the right sidebar, scroll down to this one Wallpaper section. By default, here you will find theme is selected. That means in case Opera GX theme includes a wallpaper, you will find it in a new tab. When you will open a new tab, you will see that wallpaper. In case you don't love that wallpaper, select this one custom option under wallpaper, and here you will find a lot of wallpapers. You can use left or right arrow button to find a good wallpaper for your Opera GX browser and select a wallpaper that will be applied to your Opera GX browser. And in case you don't love any of the wallpaper, you can click on this one add your wallpaper button and select a wallpaper of your choice from your Windows PC, and then click on this one OK button to apply that wallpaper in Opera GX browser. In case you don't love or you don't have any wallpaper on your PC, you can get the wallpapers from this one Opera GX store by clicking on this one option get more wallpapers. You can download and apply that wallpaper to your Opera GX browser.